What's poppin', dogs? Mr. Allen here. We're about to write this quadratic function in Vertex form. We're going to do so by completing the square. All right, now with the lead coefficient, there's a lot of things to look out for. This is a beefy problem right here. This is a beefy problem. All right, let's get after it. First things first, I want to subtract 1 on both sides so I can get my quadratic and my linear term on their own side. So I'm going to have f of x minus 1 equals 3x squared plus 12x. Now, I'm not going to add in that plus blank yet because I want to factor out the lead coefficient no matter what it is. Even if it makes my, my coefficient of my constant term a fraction, I still want to factor out that lead coefficient. So I'm going to do that right now. And if I do that, I'm going to have 3 parentheses x squared plus, and then 4x plus blank. Now, some people ask, like, why aren't you taking out an x as well? I'm just factoring out the lead coefficient. It's not a GCF situation. It's always the lead coefficient. All right, now on my left-hand side, I'm going to have the f of x minus 1, and we'll add that plus blank in now. All right, how am I going to figure out what goes into that blank? Well, I'm going to take that 4 right there. I'm going to do 4 divided by 2. I'm going to square that, which is 2 squared, which equals 4. So I'm going to add 4 here, but what am I really adding to that right-hand side, bro? It's 3 times 4, which is 12. So I got to pop a 12er right there, right, to balance the equation. Because really on the right-hand side, I added 12. So I got to add 12 to the left-hand side to balance it. Now what I have is f of x plus 11 equals 3 parentheses. And now I can factor this x squared plus 4x plus 4 into x plus 2 quantity squared. One more step to get this into Vertex form. Final answer. I'm going to do it in orange, so I'm feeling saucy right now. All right, we got f of x equals, we got 3 and then x plus 2 quantity squared minus 11. Boom. Vertex form. What is my vertex right here? It's negative 2 comma negative 11. How convenient from Vertex form to get my vertex. When I'm in standard form, this bad boy up here, I get my y-intercept very easily because I can plug 0 in. Everything goes away except that 1. It's 0 comma 1 for my y-intercept. They all have their purpose. Vertex form is pretty dope though. So yeah, there we go. I'm done.